Welcome to PowerPoint Beginners Lesson 2. In this tutorial, you will learn how to choose a slide design, change your background colors, choose a slide layout, and also some suggestions will be given to you to keep in mind when selecting color choices. Before choosing how you want the background of your slides to look, keep in mind that your selection should correlate with your topic. For example, my topic is earth layers. When I think of earth layers, I think of brown, reds, yellows. I wouldn't think of colors like pinks and purples, so you want to make sure they correlate. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to choose a design. If you go up to your ribbon and you find your Design tab, you click on your Design tab, there will be a whole bunch of themes that come up that have already been designed for you. If you click this arrow with a line above it, you will notice that there are a lot more designs. You may go with one of these themes. So when I think of earth, I might go with the brown, and it will apply it to my slides. That's just one of my options. If I go back here, it changes it back to white. I can also go to Background Styles, go to Format Background, and a window will pop up. There's different kinds of fills that you can have. You could have a solid fill, which is simply just one color. So if I went down to color, I could change the color of my background, and if I wanted it on all of my slides, I would press Apply to All. Another option is a gradient fill. There are preset colors for gradient fills. So if I click on this arrow, there's all these different colors that I see. So I am thinking what my topic is, and I would select Fire and apply to all my slides. Another thing you can do is a pattern fill. You can simply select a pattern you like. You can change the foreground color, and you can change the background color. And if you like that, you can apply that to all of your slides. Thinking about my topic, I'm going to go back to Gradient Fill, and I'm going to go to the preset colors and choose Fire, and I'm going to apply that to all of my slides. When I've chosen what I'm going to do, I'm going to X out. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to choose a slide layout. This is how you want each of your slides to look. So I'm going to click on the Home tab up in the ribbon, and I'm going to look for the word Layout. And you can see there are many kinds of layouts. A title slide, title and content, section header, to content, comparison, title only, blank, content with caption, picture with caption. So you can select a pre-made layout, or you may go with a blank slate and create your own layout. So for example, on the first slide, you will notice my first slide is highlighted. I'm going to click on title and content, and you will notice it appears. If I go to my second slide, I can choose a different layout, and you'll see a different layout will appear. And I can have a different layout for my third slide. So you can choose whatever layout works for you. They can all be the same, or they can all be different. Some suggestions to keep in mind in regards to colors is that number one, if you have a light background, you're going to want to choose a dark colored text. If you have a dark background, you would want to choose a light colored text. You never want to use the colors red and green or bright blues and reds together. They can cause your audience to strain their eyes when they're looking at your PowerPoint slide. These things are important because in the next video, you are going to learn how to insert text and word art and format your text or your word art. So keep that in mind, because now you've set your background, and on the next video, you want to keep the color suggestions in mind.